But we're into the sort of heart of European diplomacy here, because I know that Chancellor Merkel means the very best. She doesn't want to see World War III begin over Ukraine. You have to understand about Ukraine. It's been fought over and fought over and fought over. Ukraine lost 17% of its population in World War II. Before that, it had millions of people starved to death when the communists created the famine through collectivization. And after World War II, there was still partisan warfare going on against the Soviet troops in Western Ukraine. So this is a country that's been fought over and fought over and fought over. And it's a real tragedy. So Chancellor Merkel doesn't want war. So her view is that there must be some way to work this out with Mr. Putin where he'll stop. And that's what she's tried to do.